Today, I'm explaining why you can't schedule posts using Instagram's built-in scheduling feature. Let's get started. The problem. When you try to create a post on Instagram and get to the upload section, you don't see the option to schedule that post for later. Here's why. Reason 1. Outdated app version. The Instagram scheduling feature is relatively new, which means you probably need to update your Instagram app. Open the Google Play Store on Android or the Apple App Store on iPhone. Search for Instagram in the search bar. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. If it says open, your app is already updated. Why updates matter. New features are only available in the latest versions of Instagram. Without updating, you won't be able to access new tools like post scheduling. Reason 2. Feature not rolled out to you yet. If your app is fully updated but you still don't see the scheduling option, it means the feature hasn't been rolled out to your account yet. Here's why. How Instagram releases features. When Instagram releases new features, they don't make it a worldwide rollout immediately. Instead, they test features in different regions, countries, and with different accounts first. They gather feedback from these test groups and make adjustments, tweak things, and then gradually release the feature to more users. The rollout timeline. This process can take anywhere from a few weeks to a couple of months. Some users get new features early while others have to wait longer. There's no specific pattern. It depends on Instagram's testing strategy. What you can do. First, keep your Instagram app updated at all times. You can enable automatic updates for Instagram. On Android, go to the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, then Auto Update Apps, and select Over any network or over Wi-Fi only. On iPhone, go to Settings, App Store, and enable App Updates. Second, check back every couple of weeks. Open Instagram and try creating a post to see if the scheduling option has appeared. Important note, there are no tricks, hacks, or shortcuts to get the feature faster. You simply need to be patient and wait for Instagram to roll it out to your account. Everyone will eventually get access. And that's it. Now you know why Instagram's scheduling feature might be missing and what to do about it.